Hi, and if you're looking for how to use Chat GPT to make money online in 2023 or beyond, then you're in the right place. Hi, my name's Jan Moss. I'm going to show you how you can make money online with Chat GPT, whether or not you have got your own business, your own products or anything. So grab a pen, grab a book to write in, or open something on the computer, be more modern, and take some notes. It's quite detailed, but it's simple. So follow these steps. So first of all, what is Chat GPT? It's an online intelligence which can do so many different things for you to save you from having to do it yourself. Sadly, it won't make a cup of tea, but it'll do stuff online. So watch this space. We're going to help it, make it help us, should I say, do some blogs and make money with it, all being well. So what do we do first? We need an affiliate marketing link. So if you've got a network marketing company, grab the affiliate link for a product that you want to promote, or if you've got your own business, your own website, grab that link. If you haven't, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do that now. You can go to an affiliate marketing site such as ClickBank or to Digistore. And I'm going to show you Digistore because it's a little bit easier to get started, I think. And I will show you that now. So I need to share my screen, which is this one. Let's go. There we go. So you should be able to see my screen now. So Digistore is an affiliate marketing site, and it has all these different subjects that you can share. Something that you're interested in, if you're into dance and music or hobbies, have a look and see if there's a product that you'd like to promote on there. And I'm interested in healthy eating, so I've come across this book, 300 Vegan Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook, and you would click on Promote Now, and it will give you a link to copy to use to promote it. I'm not going to do that now because it'll take me off the page, and I want to make this quick for you, as quick as possible. Okay. So then what we need to do when we've got our link, we need to head over to Chat GPT, which looks like that to start with. Then when you've clicked on Try Chat GPT, you go over here and you can ask it all sorts of amazing questions. Now, the book that I've just asked for is gone ahead of myself here. The book that I was looking at is this one. It's 300 Vegan Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook. So what you can do is copy the title of what you want and go over to ChatGPT and say, I'm always polite and ask it, please write a review of, and then paste the book in. Oh, that's not it. And obviously copy it of, let's try again, copy and paste 300 Vegan Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook. Okay, and it will write you a review, so you don't have to do it yourself. What I would suggest is that you go through that, make sure it all makes sense. If it's your own products, obviously you want to add something of your own, and see how that is for you. So I'm just letting that write itself there. So that's a really short one. So you might want it to be a bit longer. So you can just say, please make this longer. Or you could ask it to make it more light-hearted or whatever you want, really, more serious, might make it more scientific. That's plugging away there. So while it's doing that, I'm going to go to show you vocal media. Now, if you've got your own blog, then perfect, go to your own blog and you can literally paste that into your own blog. You might want to change a few words just to make sure there's no plagiarism, check it on a plagiarism site, but it should be basically fine. Just change things up a little and, as I said, make it a bit more personal. If you haven't got your own blog, then you can go to a site called what's it called? vocalmedia.com. So let's have a look at that. It's this one. Okay. And you can write, you can have affiliate links in here. It's perfectly all right to have affiliate links in. And you just create story. And then you can go back to your Chat GPT. There we go. There we go. Look at that. It's written its own blog. And copy that. And paste it in. No, it hasn't done it. Try again. Copy. Delete that. There we go. Pasted that in. And then what you want to do is add a call to action. So you can say something like, if you would like to try this book for yourself. So if you put in a couple of paragraphs, if you would like to try this book for yourself, please click here. Then what you do is you highlight that and you click on the little link there and you paste in your affiliate link in there and click the submit. Then you copy, highlight again, sorry, you can bold it, you can italicize it or whatever you want to do, and then copy the whole thing, making sure you have put your affiliate link in. I haven't done that. As I said, I didn't want to go away from the page. I'd suggest you put it down at the bottom as well. So there, and you can always make that even longer. You can ask it, Chat GPT to make it even longer. Then you want to put some photographs in it, otherwise it's going to be a bit boring. So you can put, go into this unsplash image here, which means they're royalty free, and you could put search for vegan recipes. Ooh, look at that. That looks lovely. I think I'd buy that. And you can use that perhaps for your, you might want to use that for your main image at the top there. Or if you changed your mind, you didn't want that one there, you could put, let's try again, vegan recipe. Could use that one. Oh, disappeared then. That one for your main one. And then you can put pictures in the middle as well, like this. Obviously, if you've got your own images of your own products, then you're best to do the uploading your images yourself, because then they're your exact images. Vegan. You could put that as a title one, look, in there. That would be a good one. Go vegan. You can just put that one, say, and go smaller. Okay, so you've done that. Then for your title, you could either do a review of what it is, or you could say 300 vegan recipes for you to try, and then put that as a subtitle, a review of the cookbook, something like that. And then you save your changes, and then when you're ready, if you think it's all correct, you submit it for review. Now, I'm not going to do that because I want to spend a little bit more time looking to make sure it's okay before I do that. So then what do you do? So that's the first part. So some people will just see that anyway. That's for starters. But to get loads of traffic to that, what you want to do then is go to another site, which is called Quora. Quora. There we go. And I've already done this previously. You can put in questions here. People ask questions and you can give them answers. Now, if you sent them directly to that site, you would get banned because it's got affiliate links in it. So what you can do is look for a question, suggestions for vegan recipe. Okay, see if there's anybody asked that question. Well, it's this one again. What are the best vegetarian vegan recipes? Or what are some suggestions for vegan recipes? Some of them haven't got answers. Okay, so that's a good one to do perhaps. And other people will, it's not just the person who asked the question in the first place, it's other people will also go and look at these questions. Okay, so what you can then do is go back to our trusty Chat GPT, and I've done this earlier. I asked it to do a blog, 300-word blog on what are the best vegan recipes, and it's given me a little blog here. So what you can do then is copy that, and that was on what are the best vegan recipes. You go back to the questions, what are the best vegan recipes, and you can answer it. Okay, answer, and then write your answer, and you would paste that little blog in there, and you can put at the bottom, or if you would like to see a review of a vegan cookbook with 300 amazing recipes, then click here, and then highlight that, and you can do that and put the URL not to the original thing but to your blog post, which is here. And there it is, look at the top. You just copy that link and you paste it in, like so, and then you can post that. And then when people,
something I found on Wikipedia.
Oh,
a post-it note.
Alexa, thank you.
Thanks for the feedback.
Amazing what Alexa can do, isn't it? I didn't even mention Alexa. So there you go. That's it. So then when people go looking for that site, they'll get lots of traffic coming to your website, and if they click on the link and buy the book, you will get an affiliate link. Not affiliate, you'll get some commission. So I hope that has been helpful. If you want to get any more tips on making money online, please do subscribe, hit like, and I will see you in the next video.